Hello and welcome, and today we are going to be cleaning this amazing patio. We've also got the front area to do as well, and there's one thing that we've not told the customer, and that is that we are going to be doing it completely for free. Aww. So today's task is to clean this driveway. All this block paving, as you can see, there's some sand on there, there's black spots all over it. It's not very giving off the old curb appeal for the house, is it? Then we've got this path along the front of the living room just there, so we'll give this a clean, get rid of all those weeds as well. That's down the sides, and I'll quickly show you the back because we're doing the back patio as well. Problem we've found already is there's not much drainage going off, so you're going to see the drains right there. There's not a lot of drainage runoff, and all this water just seems to, or when we start to clean, all the water's just going to seem to want to go into that area, so that's something that we've just got to be careful of when we come around here. Going to be doing the path along the side of here as well. We'll be doing all along the back of here. There's of it. Sweeping up, and we'll be cleaning all along this area, along this path, along the bottom of the kitchen window just there. And then we'll be doing this patio area as well. So like I said to you earlier, this is going to be a free clean for the customer. They have no idea that they're going to be getting this for free. They've gone out for the day, so when they do get back, it's going to be a nice little surprise for them. So let's stop crapping, let's get cracking, let's grip it, rip it, and let's make it shine. Let's do this, baby. So there we go, look at that, what a difference that makes. Looks absolutely amazing. So we've got the back done under the kitchen window just there, around the summer house, done along the side as well. All I'm going to do now is, while Harvey goes around the front and makes a start on that, I'm going to give the windows a clean. That is after we have had our McDonald's for his dinner, because it's Friday. What else can you do on a Friday? You've got to have a McDonald's on a Friday. McDonald's Friday. Well, hey, let's go and get it. That's what it makes you do when you've had one. dried enough around the back. I know there's a few wet patches just around there, but all I'm going to do now, I'm just going to sand in between the blocks and the slabs. So let's get some sand down. No, I don't want that money. No. So there you go, look at that. Just got to wait for it to dry and drop some sand on it, so we'll come back and do that another day. Clean the windows, all the doors are done, garage doors done. That was a pain. Absolute slowed us down no end. But yeah, all this side's done as well. Customers are back, they absolutely love it. They loved it even more that they got it for free. That's it for today. If you want to see and support us, like, subscribe and hit that notification button, and we can do more of these free videos. So it's the day after